Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I will show you how we can turn on always on display. So at the first you have to go for your settings. Next you have to tap on the display and you have to find the always on panel, then tap on the switcher in the right upper corner, and as you can see right now, when we are going to lock our device, it will display the always on display clock. And of course we can change it very easy by going for the settings, tapping on the clock style, and we can change it. I think this one is the best, so we can click apply, and as you can see, our clock style has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!